Tiny cooking videos are absolutely taking over YouTube Shorts right now. These hyper-realistic miniature kitchen clips are pulling in millions of views. And brand new creators, they're blowing up overnight in this exact niche. Today, I'm going to show you the entire step-by-step process to generate these from scratch using AI. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. First things first, head down into the video description and copy the master prompt I've left for you. I custom designed this specific prompt to generate 8K ultra-realistic miniature ASMR cooking videos, complete with cinematic lighting and realistic food physics. Once you've got that copied, let's jump over to the AI generator. Go ahead and open up Google Flow. Right on the main dashboard, look for the workspace toggle and switch it over to video mode. Next, you'll see the aspect ratio settings. You want to change that to 9:16 since we're optimizing for Shorts and TikTok. Right below that, click on the Model drop-down menu and make sure you select the Omni Flash model. Why this model? Because it gives the absolute best results for macro realism and those buttery camera movements. Finally, drag the duration slider to exactly 10 seconds so we have enough footage for a solid loop. Now that your workspace is fully dialed in, just paste that master prompt right into the main text box. Once your food is locked in, go ahead and hit that generate button. It usually takes just a few seconds to process, and boom! Just like that, you've got a hyper-realistic, cinematic, tiny cooking video ready to post. The textures, the lighting, that natural sizzle effect, it's all baked right into the generation. And the best part is you can just rinse and repeat this exact workflow. Paste the prompt again, swap out the food item to something like tacos, hit generate, and you instantly have an endless supply of unique, viral-ready content. If you got some value out of this breakdown, drop a like on the video and make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on so you don't miss the next AI video creation tutorial.